Welcome to Knowledge Light TV. Sharing knowledge above and under the sky. So friends, let's start. Today we will talk about how Shell Company transformed from a small antique shop to an oil giant. I will look for your suggestions to include anything in upcoming videos. In this video we will talk about Shell Company, which started with humble beginning. Marcus Samuel is the man who started it all in 1830s. He started with a small antiques and collectibles shop specializing in decorative shells in London's East End. Does its logo remind you of a mussel shell? Although logo changed many times, but its concept is still mussel shell. Business started to grow because there was too much demand of shells and antiques and interior decoration. Demand was so high that he started importing decorative shells from the Far East, Japan and China. When Marcus Samuel Sr. died in 1870, he passed the business to his two sons, Marcus Jr. and Samuel, who began to expand it. His sons, Marcus Jr. and Samuel, expanded this into a broader import-export business. In the 1880s, they became particularly interested in the oil exporting business. The internal combustion engine was fueling a transportation revolution that ran on oil. But shipping still posed a problem, as oil was carried in barrels which could leak and took up a lot of space. To solve the problem, they commissioned a fleet of steamers to carry oil in bulk. In 1892, Shell became the first to pass oil tanker through the Suez Canal. So the creation of first bulk oil tanker is attributed to Shell, adding tremendous efficiency to the oil delivery pipeline to Europe. In 1897, they renamed their shipping business the Shell Transport and Trading Company. In the early 20th century, Shell merged with Royal Dutch Petroleum, its closest competitor in Far East oil fields, to join forces against John D. Rockefeller's Standard Oil. The new Royal Dutch Shell Group replaced its former logo, a mussel shell, with the scallop shell, now visible at all Shell stations worldwide. In 2022, the company changed its name from Royal Dutch Shell to Shell plc. Now Shell operates in 70+ countries. It has around 93,000 employees worldwide. It has 8 refineries. But in future less oil will be produced, and reducing environmental CO2 is also a responsibility. Shell's target is to become a net zero emissions energy business by 2050 by focusing more on green sources of energy. Produces around 2.86 million barrels of oil per day. Thanks for watching. Please like, share and subscribe.